For military, force models, TATRA V8, V12 air-cooled, or water-cooled Cummins, Caterpillar. Advanced transmission ZF Traxxon automated, ZF Ecolife 2 automatic, or traditional TATRA transmissions. Also includes TATRA Dropbox, auxiliary, for optimal gear ratios. Protection and durability. The backbone tube protects driveline components from external damage, mud, rocks, water. Modular design suitable for armoring. High off-road capability. Very good approach angles, high ground clearance, superior cross-country mobility. Comfort and safety. Digitized dashboard, air-suspended driver seat, low vibration, good ride stability. C-130 transportable, for military. Some military versions are designed to fit inside a C-130 aircraft. 3. Price information. According to Autoline,